Hey guys, Clayton here with Asset Technologies. We're starting up a YouTube channel to help you guys with instructional stuff for all of the controls that we work on. So if you would, please subscribe to this channel. That way you can see all the helpful content we do in the future. On today's video, we're going to be looking at installation for an EP2. First thing you need to do when you get an EP2 from us is go through the unit. Just look over it. Make sure you check the side rails, also the base right here, to make sure they're all straight, because that could cause issues when you're trying to put it on the base plate. Also, there's a little circle here on the back. Please make sure you check that there's a jumper installed, otherwise the unit will not work correctly. So take this guy, line her up on the base plate, slide her down real nice and slow, make sure everything lines up. Press her down, and when that's ready to go, it'll either power up or you'll have to power it on. Once the screen's on, you can go through and make sure you've got everything set the way that it needs to be for your store. This is an executive processor unit. Units like the Spectrum, IOMs, and ETMs report to this. So that's what this is for. Once it's powered on, when you get it from us, it should be clear, so you shouldn't have any kind of load on it. To check to see if the specifications are right for your particular store, you'll need to hit 1, 2, 3, 4, and then when it's empty, it should start on the tools. If not, just go to the tools and you can set it to whatever you need it to be. From there, if you have any questions, if it's not working correctly, please give us a call here at Asset Technologies, and we'll help walk you through the process. Like I said, that's pretty simple, easy instructions on how to install an EP2. Like I said before, we are starting a YouTube channel. We'd appreciate if you guys would leave us any comments, controls that you would like to see this, like videos like this in the future, and like and subscribe. That way we can know what we need to do in the future. We appreciate your time. Have a good day.